1.
GLS Audio 6-patch cable cords, 14 TRS to 14 TRS color cables, 6 balanced snake cord, 6-pack. Heavy-duty flexible rubber jacket in 6 different colors. True balanced low. Z shielded cable. Dual high-grade 21 copper conductors and shield. Tri. Grip and rubber booty strain relief. High-quality noise-free performance.
2.
Hosa CMM 845 3.5 mmts to 3.5 mmts unbalanced patch cables. Nickel-plated plugs for rugged durability and efficient signal transfer. Oxygen-free copper OFC conductors for enhanced signal clarity. Off-spiral shields for effective EMI and RFI rejection and flexibility.
3.
Seismic audio speakers TRS to TRS patch cables, 3 feet, pack of 6. TRS cable Seismic audio speakers TRS cables are TRS to TRS patch cables with a heavy-duty flexible rubber jacket. Patch cable. These balanced cables are typically used to connect mixers to equalizers, crossovers, compressors, effect units, or amplifiers.
4.
Donner 6-inch guitar patch cable guitar effect pedal cables, black 6-pack. Solid and durable, good connection cable transmits high-fidelity signal to the equipment. 21 AWG high-quality audio cable, 6 long for easy fit. Shielding provides noise rejection for quiet operation, ultra-low capacitance which lends to a pure signal transparency. 2 big core audio plug, in-out technology, molded, TS1/4 plugs are perfect for pedal boards.
5.
Ernie ball patch cable 3. Pack, flat angle 6-in, white 6052. 99.99 oxygen, free copper to resist corrosion. Dual shielding and dual conductors provide durability and reliably clear tone. Flexible, tangle-resistant construction. Roadworthy construction. Pack of 3/6 white flat angle patch cables.
6.
Donner flat patch cables for guitar, effect pedal 6-inch save space, clear sound 14 TS right angle 6 packs. Flat top patch cables save space. The flat shaped outer PVC jacket and module plugs keep wiring cleaner and neater, saving room on pedal boards. Transfer crystal clear sound standard audio connector, solid outside casting, durable shielding. Oxygen-free copper conductors allows for low capacitance which lends to a pure signal transparency and no noise.
7.
AxcessAbles 14.6.35 MTS to 14.6.35 MTS unbalanced mono multi. Color patch cables, 6-pack 3 outboard gear Patchbay studio cables, external effects, digital analog effects. The perfect multicolored cables for your outboard and Patchbay gear in any studio, home, or professional. Easily route your analog or digital effects with these durable and pliable cables.
8.
Ernie ball flat ribbon patch cable 3. Pack 3-in, black 6220. Easily maneuver cables to fit your pedals exactly where you want them with our flat cable design. 99.95 oxygen, free copper to resist corrosion. Low-profile metal connectors and built-in strain relief provide sleek yet durable construction. Shielding materials preserve signal with low handling noise, and the durable PVC jacket exterior ensures long-lasting performance.